So this is the spike. So this is just, you can punch it right in. So it's into your drip systems. And there's a little attachment here where you can run it to this line that Mr. Fedorov here is showing. So because who waters their potted plants often enough? No, you want to set it up so it can be automatic with the spike, with just an easy little attachment. And this spike there into your existing line, and then you're good to go. And now, am I giving them enough fertilization here? Because this is, I would put a bunch of these along.
Any kind of fertilizer is good fertilizer. So you can put, so therefore you can do liquids in here quite easily. There are tablets that you can get and put it in here. Or like we mentioned before, use a fertigation system that's going to be drawing it from your irrigation. We'll be going through a set of, we'll call it tubes of sorts.
Yes.
And it mixes in with the water, and your mixed fertilizer gets into here every time that you water.